We're back for another super easy garage project in this episode of CityBilly Adventures. Lawn tool storage. Stay tuned. My wife and I grew up in the suburbs of Northeast Ohio, and we started our family there too. Then a few years ago, we stumbled into this dilapidated estate property that just had way too much potential to pass up. Follow along as we DIY our way through creating our dream estate, one project at a time. A wise man once said, "You're from the city, but you like hillbilly things." You're a CityBilly. Alright, so we're full speed ahead building my dream workshop. The plan for this 20 by 30 outbuilding is to build a wood shop on this end and store lawn equipment on this end. In the last episode, we built some storage shelves to open up floor space. Today we're going to go one step further and organize all our lawn tools. Now, of course, you can just buy a wall organizer, and that can get way more exotic than a rake rack should ever be. But if you have a couple 2x4s and some screws, you can build a custom storage rack in about an hour. And we've got a special guest to help me build this project, Manta Mobile himself.
He said he wouldn't feed me unless I helped.
So to start wrapping our brains around how this is going to look, the first thing we're going to do is lay a 2x4 on the floor. Then we organize the tools in piles based on their size, shape, and function. We marked the center of the 2x4, then we began spacing out the tools. We used some scrap 2x4 pieces to plot out where the horizontal hangers needed to be attached. Once we marked all the horizontal supports, we cut all the pieces. We cut ours each 10 inches long, but they can be made whatever length fits your needs. We pre-drilled pilot holes and attached each support with 2.5-inch construction screws. Then I measured how much clearance I needed above the storage rack and made a mark on the wall. After marking the wall studs, I attached the rack to the wall. In order to get through the 2x4 and the plywood walls, I used 3.5-inch screws. Then we loaded it up.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
I cleared my whole day for this.
We could paint it. So that'll wrap up another workshop project. In the next episode, we're going back into the wood shop side and installing a 2-stage dust collection system.
Oh, it's very sucky!
In the meantime, check out Manta Mobile on YouTube. I'm really banking on that taking off, so I have one less college tuition to pay for.
What?
Bye!